So the future of 3D printing, the hardware scope will get saturated, material and software will become the focus, and orders will move to the cloud. So what is meant by Cloud Factory? So Imaginum has a website wherein you can log into the website as a B2B or B2C. Right now it is open only to B2B. So if you want to start a business, what you have to do, you get into register yourself on the Imaginum website, www.imaginum.io, and go to the Cloud Factory where you can upload your file and place the order, look at the rendering. You want a different material selection, you can select, finish you can select, and you will be able to make it. So individual designer, maker and artist will not buy a printer. He will not keep any corrugers, but he will just order it on to the Cloud Factory. The Cloud Factory will directly dispatch to the user. You may not believe it. Many things what we see in the world today are most probably done at Imaginarium. Okay, that is the kind of competency our teams have built over the years, right? We make it for almost everyone who are doing a Cloud Factory, right? We are the makers. So these are some of the assorted printers what we have. They come in all shapes and sizes. Not just one printer can do everything. Okay, so we love all technology actually. So we have an assortment. There are some more we have added. I'm not showing here, but the Form 3, for example, is there. Form 3L is there. So many things are added here, which are because technology is like this. Daily it changes. So sometimes having a technology at your place is not good. So you don't have to worry about technology. Leave it to the so-called service bureaus, and it is their headache, to maintain technology, upgrading, and all that. You have to just enjoy design and enjoy your profit. Like that. Can you see this? Probably this is my last slide. This is how the rocket, the fuel tank is built by a robot. As we are looking at it, it's very big. It's not small. You can see some people are also moving there. Their size in relation to this. These are huge, which are getting built. It's built by a company called Relativity. Relativity is a company which is a competitor to SpaceX. SpaceX, you must be knowing, they have put 2 people in the space, International Space Station. They launched a vehicle which went and it docked, and the people spent some time and then they came back to Earth. Correct, no? Space travel, many of you would have gone to various parts of the world. Now there is a space travel. You can also go to the International Space Station, take a selfie with the Earth, or maybe you can see, you rotate the Earth 4 or 5 times a day. All that is possible thanks to the technology, how it's growing. You can see how fast it is building. Of course, you can see time, several hours are taken to build it. But tomorrow, I feel this is the future. 3D printer will no more look like a box, because it is a robot. You make it with material. Tank is metal, it will print metal. If it is food, it will print food. If it is plastic, it will print plastic, like that. So I see the whole trend would be, future trend would be that 3D printing, box like what you see, will all vanish. What you are going to have is only robots. Okay, that is the future.